Sometimes such troubles come in the life that the situation gets tough, which become difficulty to fight, and it seemed to be darkness far and wide. The situation becomes such that everything is over. I don't understand what to do or what not to do. In such situation, it feels like to give up. But remember one thing: time will not always remain same. Whatever the time is good or bad, it also have to be passed. But there is an opportunity to do something at this time if you don't quit in that situation also. Whenever you feel like quitting, you are going to fail. Whenever you feel like quitting, remember you want to living as it is. Whenever you feel like quitting, remember, are you happy with your life? Are you happy with your financial condition? Are you happy with your living standard? Whenever you feel like quitting, remember, pain is temporary, but greatness lasts forever. Whenever you feel like quitting, remember that the pain you feel today will be replaced with the power you need tomorrow. Whenever you feel like quitting, remember your problem is not so big as compared to your success. Remember that every problem you face today is building a strong you, a strong body, a strong mind, and a strong character. So move forward through the pain. Don't let this stop you. Fight with the today pain. This pain will give you happy tomorrow. It forces you to grow up, so don't back down from the pain. Face it, feel no pain. There is no pain. If you feel today pain, you will be destroyed completely. Success can be a lonely road. It can be a tough road. It can be a hard road. But it's not for everyone. It's only for those who follow the other step, other routine. Those persons will never know who they truly are. Only those who follow their own path can create a history. Those who move alone with the crowd will be the strongest one. Those who fly alone have the strongest wing. Those who walk alone have the strongest direction. If you have a dream, don't just sit there. Get your eyes up and make something happen. Sometimes you must have to move. Do something. No one care about you. No one care about your family. No one can want to see you a successful man. No one can ask you for anything. No one can recognize who are you. All the people scold you. No one can give you respect. But only when you get success, all the people respect you. Thousands of people move around you. Remember, if you're facing problem today, tomorrow you face more problem. But after tomorrow, your life will be completely changed. From that day, you will going to be happy. Your family will going to be happy. Your all wishes were going to be true. Give your 100% only 4 to 5 years. And this 4 to 5 years will take you 70 years ahead. Don't afraid about the failure, because the failure is the first step to success. If you fail one time, stand and get up and tell to your failure that I won't give up. I will win and you will lose. Don't think so much about the people, what they think. Think about you, think about your family. What you and your family realize when you give up. I dare you to give up everything that is keeping you from your dreams, to say no to all the negative influence. I dare you to up a book in a state of moving around the people. I dare you to work harder than you think you did yesterday. I dare you to prove them wrong. I dare you to prove yourself right. I dare you to stand up as a man. I dare you to make something happen, to make massive action this week. Drop everything and do something. I dare you to walk more than talk. I dare you to dream bigger than you told you. What's possible for your life? I dare you to walk your own path. Never listen to any other. Do what you want to do. Follow your own path. Work on your dreams. No negative thinking. Not too afraid about the failure. Not to think what the other people comment on you. Don't think what you face the problem today. Don't reply with the other people comment on you. Confuse them with your silence and shock them with your result. When I feel like quitting, I remember there is too many people I need to prove wrong. When I feel like quitting, I remember that I have too much fight for. When I feel like quitting, I remember that I have to live like celebrity. When I feel like quitting, I remember I have to add my name in the list of billionaires. When I feel like quitting, I remember my signature has to put into autograph. When you feel like quitting, just think, will you happy after quitting? Will your life go in the right direction? All your wishes come true after quitting? Nothing great is going to come if you quit. I know it's hard. I know you are not interested of the feeling down. I know it seems impossible, but you must have to keep going.